In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Microsoft Copilot in Microsoft Edge so it can read your web page content and provide helpful, context-aware answers. To get started, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Before changing any settings, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. This is important because features like Copilot and sidebar options can sometimes look different or may not appear at all if your browser is out of date. Taking a moment to confirm you're using the newest version can help everything work more smoothly. Once Edge is open and updated, go to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots to open the main menu. From there, select Settings. This will take you to the browser's settings page where you can control how Edge features behave. In the settings area, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Sidebar. After that, find and select Copilot from the list of apps. This section contains the settings specifically related to how Copilot works inside Microsoft Edge. Now look for the option labeled Allow Microsoft to Access Page Content. When you find it, toggle that switch to the On position. This is the key setting that allows Copilot to read the content of the web page you currently have open, so it can give answers that are actually based on what's on your screen. Without this turned on, Copilot may only respond in a more general way and won't be able to give page-specific summaries or explanations. After enabling that setting, you can close the Settings tab, then go back to the top right corner of Edge and click the Copilot icon. This opens the Copilot panel where you can begin interacting with it directly while browsing. Next, open any website you want to test. With that page active, ask Copilot to summarize the page. If everything has been set up correctly, Copilot should now respond using the information from the website you currently have open. That confirms it's reading the content from your active tab and using it to provide more relevant context-aware answers. This feature can be especially useful when you're reviewing long articles, researching a topic, or trying to quickly understand a web page without reading every word yourself. If it doesn't seem to work right away, double check that the page content setting is still enabled and that you're using the Copilot panel inside Edge. Thanks for watching and enjoy using the updated Copilot feature in Microsoft Edge.